I'll start from the beginning. So I was born, no, I'm just kidding.
Let's rock and roll. So with color packing, it's very important to like stretch the skin properly. Stretch it even, stretch it as tight as it'll go. Make sure the mag is even with the skin, so you're not like digging trenches in certain areas, and other areas aren't even in there. Small circles, right? Overlap 3/4 of the way, or about halfway. That's how you get an even saturation. So that looks in there, right? I was always told, once you think it's in there, hit it one more time. And I cross-hatched that. Now that motherfucker's in there. That's the biggest thing for saturation, for me, anyway. Just like make sure that it's evenly distributed. Same thing with whipping out too. You wanna make sure your strokes are even. Overlapping slightly. You don't wanna just, it's gonna be inconsistent. That's how you get that clean shadow. That's how you get that clean fade to skin. So keep it flat, overlap. And this is like demonstrating with orange also, so that's not the easiest to color pack. As you can see, it works. And know the machine too, like know your machine, know what techniques to use compared to, because I don't use the same techniques for black and gray as I do for color. The needles are different, the techniques are different. And here's the thing, that's what works for me. I have some really good friends of mine that don't tattoo the same way, that get just as solid tattoos. People should really like take their time with this shit, you know? A lot of people just kind of rush through stuff to get it done, or for whatever reason. It became a habit. Slowing down and really making sure everything's 100%. It's a lot of patience, but it's really, really important.